video, I'll be teaching you how to make a floral pumpkin. So, basically, what we need to do, we need to get a square of cellophane, just pop your hand in the middle, and then just pop it into the pumpkin like so. Then we've got 2 pre-soaked half oasis blocks, and you basically just have to just pop them into the middle like this, and that one on top of the other. So you can see there is a bit of oasis coming out from the pumpkin, so our foliage base can sit in there. And then all I like to do is just trim the cellophane. Doesn't have to look that neat because nobody's going to see it. The reason that we put the cellophane in there is just so that the pumpkin doesn't soak up all the water and then it will go a bit soggy. So it essentially just dries it out a little bit and helps the pumpkin last longer. And there's my telephone ringing. Okay, and once we've done that, we just need to push the cellophane down just a little bit so we can get our foliage stems into there. Okay, so it's looking like this. Now, I've just got a mix of foliages here actually. So, I've got these. So I've got some leatherleaf, I've got pittosporum and some thalaspi. But you can, if you wanted to, just go around the garden and get foliages from the garden because it is autumn time and all the autumn leaves look fab in the pumpkin as well. So all I do is get some leatherleaf fern and I just go round the base of the pumpkin to start a nice structure for the arrangement. So you go all the way around, even though this is going to be a front-facing arrangement, because I think front-facing is better in the pumpkin, so you have more flowers at the front, so it gives more of a wow factor. Okay, so I'm just going round with the smaller units of the leatherleaf fern. Just putting my rubbish in the invisible bin. Okay. So then you can see, you can't see the cellophane and there's going to be no gaps at the bottom. And then I just like to come in with my pittosporum and then just basically go round the pittosporum, and what you're essentially doing is just covering the oasis. So once we've done that, we can then go in with our flowers and there will be no gaps. So I'm actually doing a large one, so this is an order for a customer today. So this one's going to be a bit OTT, but you can do them any size that you like. So this is a small pumpkin. So I do pumpkins in small, medium and large. So yeah, you can do them any size and it's the same principle as this. Just make sure that you cut your foliage and flowers a bit smaller and use less flowers. So this is a nice alternative to like pumpkin carving, if you're not really into that, just to get in that festive Halloween feel. But these are so popular during October. I sell lots and lots of these. But I would recommend putting them on a plate or a surface, because you don't want to leave the pumpkin out for more than a week or so, and then you come to find it and you pick it up and it's watered a little bit, because it can cause stains, so don't do that. Okay, so that's all the foliage that we need for that, and then we're going to go in with our ruscus. Now the ruscus is going to make it come out and it will be the wow factor. Okay. Okay, just if you've seen our previous videos, remember we do take the foliage off the end of our foliage stem, so the bottom of it's naked so it can go fully into the oasis. Ruscus is one of my favourite foliages for making arrangements big, and also in sprays or coffin sprays. It really gives that nice country garden flowing linear feel. It's funny because I haven't actually made a video in about a month, because last month I was really busy, so I pre-recorded all my tutorials for YouTube, so I haven't actually done one in about a month, so I'm actually quite proud of myself. I thought I'd be like taking about 10 takes. But anyway, I'm just rambling on. So as you can see, the Ruscus is making it look all fabulous and massive. Okay. Then I'll just come round the front with some more leather leaf, because we need to make sure all the oasis is covered. Okay, so just keep putting it in until it looks like this. Ta-da! And just literally go as crazy as you want. Use those creative inhibitions. Okay, so now we've done all the foliage, we're then going to go in with our pampas. Just pampas just makes it look like so wow. So I'll come back round here. I'm just flaking off a bit. But it's fluffy pampas, so what do we expect? And look at that, the height that it gives. So I'm coming around the back with this because we want the larger stems to be at the back, and then we're going to come more forward with the shorter stems. So like basically going down in steps and stages to the bottom. And then I have this lovely like green turquoise feather, which I'll put in around this side. So, because as you can see, it's on a bit of a slant, so I just want to make sure that the angle's good. Yeah, love that. Okay. Then we'll go in with that next largest stem. Put that here. Bring you more towards me. Okay. Then we've got other blue delphiniums. So these are locks per delphiniums, and those really, really nice blue colour. Making it lovely autumn colours. Okay. Then we've got some red Naomi roses. Taking the guard petals off, and the red against the blue looks gorgeous. So we're starting to fill around the middle section of the arrangement now. Making sure that these flowers are shorter than these, and those are shorter than the taller ones at the back. Making sure they're all nicely put into the oasis as well. So we've got 6 of these going in. That down a little bit more. Okay, beaut. Then we have got this one sunflower, and I thought one would just look nice as like just one big focal flower in the middle, and then the rest it looks like an explosion coming out, if you get my gist. So I might actually need to put a wire on this because it is a bit askew with, but let's see if we can work without the wire. Oh, perfect. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Fantastic. Then I have these lovely looms, and I'm just going to put these around the sides like this to give more of a height and definition. Look at me with all my posh words. Then that makes a line. Instead of just having one that side, it looks like I don't really know what means, but okay. That will actually go in there. Okay. Brilliante. I am actually going to use some viburnum. Now, viburnum scare the life out of me, because some people, when they've seen them, they're just like, oh, they're droopy and dead, but they're actually meant to be like this. So it's a big risk for me to do it, but they do look good. So we're just gonna take the risk and put them in. They're like basically like mini spray hydrangeas. I love them, to be fair. It's just like, if you're not educated in flowers well enough, you don't understand why they're like. Losing my oasis now, there's so many flowers in there. But oh my god, I love them. I love them. Comment down below if you would use these. Yes. This is looking fantastic, if I do say so myself, like blowing my own trumpet here. Okay, so I think, if you can see, I can see like 2 gaps here, so I'm going to put a couple of lilies in there, and then these will open up and look gorgeous. Where's the oasis, please? There we go. And then I've just got these 2 red pampas stems. I'm just going to see if these look good in there. Yeah, love it. Put one there and one here. Beautiful. What do you think? Even though the table looks really dirty at the moment, but I'll take a better picture and video for you. And then basically what I do, I just get ribbon, which is basically, I just get a long line of ribbon, put it in half, and then put them together with the 2 ribbons, and then just wire them together like this. And I just put it at the bottom here, just adds a little bit more to it. Gorgeous. Guys, I've fallen in love with this pumpkin. It is stunning. Here we go, here's a better look at it. And it's obviously got the J for Gem's Floral Studio. Even though I didn't grow the pumpkin, but still. Gems. Guys, thank you so much for watching, especially if you got to this point, and please And I say, please remember to subscribe, and if you can be bothered, give it a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.